In this video, you will learn how to get a car dealer license in Texas, determine your license type, choose the correct license type for your business, such as independent for used, franchise for new, wholesale, or salvage dealer, as required by the Texas Department of Motor Vehicle, establish a permanent business location, set up a commercial property that meets the TXDMV standard, including a business office, display lot, posted hours, and visible business signage. Register your business name and entity. File your business registration with the Texas Secretary of State or your local county clerk, depending on your business structure. Obtain a bond and liability insurance. Secure a $50,000 bond in your dealership's name and ensure you have the necessary insurance coverage to protect your operations. Complete the e-licensing application. Use the Texas DMV e-licensing system to submit an application. Upload all required documents, then pay all the fees online. Schedule and pass inspection. After submitting your application, the Texas DMV representative may inspect your business location before your dealer license is approved. Now you know how to get a car dealership license in Texas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.